Hey friends, today I want to read to you a book about being thankful and about Thanksgiving. It's called Thanksgiving is for Giving Thanks. Because remember, we're getting ready to celebrate Thanksgiving, which is a holiday all about being thankful and eating turkey. So let's read this book, Thanksgiving is for Giving Thanks. Thanksgiving is the day of the year that we eat lots of turkey and pumpkin pie. But most of all, it is the day when we give thanks for all of the things that make us happy. We've talked about being thankful together in class. We've talked about things that we're thankful for. A lot of you said your family, really special people in your life. I am thankful for my dad and mom. They love me when I'm good and even when I'm not so good. I am thankful for everyone else in my family. My grandma gives really good hugs. Aww. I am thankful for my teacher. She makes me feel special when she hangs my artwork on the wall. I can't wait to hang up your pictures on the wall in our class when we get back there someday. I am thankful for my friends who make me laugh. I am thankful for my room. Sometimes it's nice to be by myself. Sometimes it is nice to have a little quiet time by yourself. I am thankful for hot chocolate on a cold, rainy day. Ooh, I'm thankful for that too. I love hot chocolate. I am thankful for all the dogs and cats that I know. It's fun when they let me pet them. I am thankful for my favorite books. I like bedtime when mom or dad reads to me. I am thankful for bright, sunny days when I can play outside with my friends. Those are my favorite kind of days, sunny and bright, warm days when you can play outside. I am thankful for lollipops that turn my tongue purple or green or orange or red or blue. Whoa, those are some big lollipops those kids have. I am thankful for special days like Thanksgiving when I'm with my whole family and we can all be thankful together. So it looks like this family's celebrating Thanksgiving with a nice Thanksgiving feast. Remember, a feast is when people get together and eat a ton of food. Turkey, pie, mashed potatoes, all kinds of vegetables, sweet potatoes, gravy for your turkey, stuffing. Ooh, I love stuffing. And then the desserts. Ooh, all the desserts. That's a real feast. A feast is when a lot of people get together and eat a lot of food. Just like the Pilgrims and Native Americans did on the very first Thanksgiving that we read about yesterday. So I can't wait to celebrate Thanksgiving because I can't wait to be with my family, even though this Thanksgiving it won't be as many family members as it usually is, but I can't wait to be with my family and just think about being thankful and all the things that I'm thankful for. That's what Thanksgiving's all about. And the food. See you later, friends.